Hello and welcome to my channel Learn Tech Philo. So today I want to train you on how you can write your first program in Java using NetBeans. First of all, you need to enable Java or JDK, Java Development Kit, on your computer. So first of all, you need to check whether Java is enabled on your computer using your command prompt. So you come to your search but then you search for command prompt, then you'll need to write Java version, then you press enter. So on my side, if it brings information of this sort, it shows that your Java is already installed. So on my side, Java is already installed. So if it's not installed, you can just go to your favorite WordPress or web browser. Then you'll need now to go to the official website, which is oracle.com. Then you'll have now to download GDK for macOS, for Linux, and the Windows. Then you install. So if you have not watched our previous tutorial on how to install GDK on your computer and enable it, remember to check on our videos and see more on how to install and enable on your computer. So next thing we want to install now is NetBeans. We want to install NetBeans. So you'll need now to go to your browser, then you search for NetBeans download. NetBeans download. Then you press enter. Right? Now after you click on this part, then you'll need now to click on download. Then here you'll have the download for the Windows, for the Linux, and the Mac OS. Alright, now you'll have now to click here, then it will direct you to this site, to the other. Then you'll need now to click here to download. Right, see, now it will take some time. It all depends with the speed of your internet connection. Alright, so now after you have downloaded, you'll need now to go here, then you'll need now to install. Right, so here you'll have now your NetBeans, so you can click here, then you run as administrator, right, to install on your computer. Now after that it will take some time to install, so you can wait to finish installing. Right, after you have installed, you'll have something of this sort, whereby this now where this is now your NetBeans. After you have opened it, then you'll have now the file entity view, navigate, source, refactor, run, debug. You're checking for errors, provide, then you have the tools. So you can just come here, the file, then you click on new project. Right, then you click Java with Maven. You can have Java with Gradle, Java with hard HTML, CSS or C++. This is C or C++. You have PHP, then symbols. So here you can have Java application. Right, then you click next. After that you'll give your project name. Let's give it my first program. Right, so this is our project name. Then in group ID here you can just call it hello world. You can call it let's say it's something like hello world app. All right, then you click finish. You just give any name according to what you want, right? So this can give it any name. Then here you can specify the location where your project you want it to be stored. You can browse here, then you can change your location. Right. After that, you'll need now to click finish. Now, after that, this is your project name, my first program, right? Your source code, packages. Now, into this part, you'll need now the source packages. You'll need now to right click, then you have new, then Java class, right? You create your Java class. You can name it main. You can name it main, right? Then here for the packages, you need to specify and write hello world app dot my first program. All right, so this is your package. Then you click finish. Right, now you have generated the basic tanks for Java, for running your Java. So these are just comments, you can just delete them. Then these are just comments, you can just delete them. Right, they're not important. So in this part is where you're going to write your Java code. All right, now you'll have PCMP, PSVM. This stands for public static void main. Then you click on tab key. Tab key, it will generate this public static void main. You'll have the strings and args. So these are the syntaxes as we'll be discussing in our next tutorial on the syntaxes and the comments. We'll discuss these various types of syntaxes that are used in Java code, and these are basics that are in every Java program, right? So we'll explain each in our next tutorial. Remember to visit next and see our next tutorial. Now you'll have now this is system. You'll have now system, or else you can have as house. You can just write this is as house. All right. Then you can press right this. Sorry, this is as house. Right. Sorry, this is okay. But just write system to the house to the print line. Then you'll have this is hello world. Hello world. Alright. So this is our first program. This is our first program now. Right? Now after that you'll need now to save your work. Remember to save your work. You can just come here, then you click save, or just use Control S to save your work. After that you'll need now to come here, then you run your work. Then it will ask you, you choose your main class, select main class. So this is selected, so this is our main class. Then you select your main class, then it will run for some time, then just wait. Now after some times you'll see now build success, and the hello world is printed out. Hello world is printed out. Right, now you can print another information. You can just say my name is Philo. Okay, this is my name is Philo. Then you can just save your work. You Control S to save your work, then you run your program. Right, wait for some moment. Then after some time it will print out my name is Philo. Alright, so build success your program. So congratulations, you've written your first program in Java. Next on our tutorial we'll discuss the syntaxes. The syntaxes as they are used in Java. These syntaxes, the public, the use of public, the class, the main, and all these static void main, these strings and hangs, and system out printer. So these are the syntaxes that will be used in our Java program every now and then. So if you're just new to this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and share. So let's meet in our next tutorial.